Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra's Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to business mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 39, chapter number 8, 8b, integral calculus. Our chapter is basic concepts of differential and integral calculus. In today's lecture, we will start with exercise 8b. Choose the most appropriate option A, B, C or D. Evaluate integration 5x square dx. Okay, in this question, phi x square dx, here phi is constant, so phi is 5 constant x square dx. Okay, so 5. Now integration of x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 using the formula. Okay, 5, here n is equal to 2, so you can write x 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1. So 5 x cube by 3 plus k constant. Okay, so the answer is 5x cube by 3 plus k. So option B is the right answer. Now, next question. Question number 2. Integration of 3 minus 2x minus x raised to 4 will become. So here 3 minus 2x minus x raised to 4 dx. Okay, so let's find out 3 dx minus 2x dx minus x raised to 4 dx. So 3 dx means 3 constant common dx minus 2 constant x dx minus x raised to 4 dx. Here again you have to use x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus k, or dx, integration of dx is equal to integration of x raised to 0 dx is equal to x raised to 0 plus 1 upon 0 plus 1. So it becomes x. Okay, so write down integration of dx is 3x x, or 3 into x, 3x minus 2. Integration of x is x raised to 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 minus x raised to 4, 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 plus constant k. 3x minus 2 x square by 2 minus x raised to 5 by 5 plus k. 2 cancel, so the answer is 3x minus x square minus x raised to 5 by 5 plus k. 3x minus x square minus x raised to 5 by 5 plus k. So the answer is option B. Option B is the right answer. Question number 3. Given 4x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 5 and integration of f of x dx is. Now f of x dx is equal to integration of 4x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 5 dx. Okay. Now integration of 4x cube dx plus integration of 3x square dx minus 2x dx plus integration of 5 dx. So here 4 constant x cube dx, integration of x cube is x raised to 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 plus 3 constant as it is x square, integration of x square is x raised to 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 minus 2 constant x raised to 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus 5 constant 1 dx of x plus k. 4 x raised to 4 by 4 plus 3 x cube by 3 minus 2 x square by 2 plus 5x plus k. Here 4 cancel, 3 cancel, 2 cancel. Okay. So x raised to 4 minus x cube, x raised to 4 plus x cube minus x square plus x cube minus x square plus 5x plus k. So the answer is x raised to 4 plus x cube minus x square plus 5x plus k. So option B is the right answer. Okay. So option B is the answer. Next question, question number 4. Evaluate integration of x square minus 1 dx. Very simple question. Okay. So x square minus 1 dx. You can write as x square dx minus integration 1 dx. Same way, use the x raised to n dx formula. X raised to n plus 1 plus k. So here x raised to 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 minus 1 dx, it means x plus k. So it becomes x cube by 3 minus x plus k. X cube by 3 minus x plus k. So option B is the right answer. Okay. Next question. Question number 5. 1 minus 3x into 1 plus x dx is equal to. So here, first you have to simplify the 1 minus 3x into 1 plus x. Okay. Now, we will simplify it. Integration 1 minus 3x into 1 plus x dx is equal to integration of here 1 into 1 dx minus 1 into minus 3x, so 3x dx, or you can write first this step 1 into 1 minus 3x into 1 minus 3x minus 3x plus x into 1 plus x minus 3x square dx is equal to integration of 1 minus 3x plus x minus 2x minus 3x square dx. 1 dx minus 2x dx minus 3x square dx. So 1 dx it becomes x minus 2 x dx x square by 2 minus 3 x cube by 3 plus k. 2 cancel, 3 cancel. So it is x minus x square minus x cube plus k. X minus x square minus x cube plus k. So option C is the right answer of question number 5. Okay. Next question, question number 6. Root x minus 1 upon under root x dx is equal to. So integration of root x minus 1 upon root x dx is equal to, you can write root x dx minus integration of 1 upon root x dx. Here you can write x raised to 1 by 2 dx minus, here you can write x raised to minus 1 by 2 dx. Okay. Using the same formula, integration of x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus k. Using it, x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus x raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus k. So 1 by 2 plus 1, it becomes x raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus x raised to 1 by 2 by 2 plus k. So it is 2 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2 minus 2x raised to 1 by 2 plus k. Now check the options. 2 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2 minus 2x raised to 1 by 2 plus k. So it is the option A. So option A is the right answer of question number 6. Now move to the question number 7. The integral of px cube plus qx square rk plus w by x is equal to. Now take the integral of px cube plus qx square plus rk plus w by x dx is equal to, you can write px cube dx plus integration of qx square dx plus integration of rk dx plus integration of w by x dx. P constant x cube dx, so x raised to 4 by 4 plus q x cube by 3 plus rk constant common dx, it means x plus w constant 1 by x, it means log x, log mod x plus k. Okay, so px raised to 4 by 4 plus qx cube by 3 plus rkx plus w log mod x plus k. So the option is option number D, none of these. Okay, question number 8. Use method of substitution to integrate the function f of x is equal to 4x plus 5 raised to 6, and the answer is, here one formula is there, ax plus b raised to n dx is equal to ax plus b raised to n plus 1 upon a n plus 1. Okay, a into n plus 1. So integration of 4x plus 5 raised to 6 dx is equal to, instead of ax plus b, here 4x plus 5. So you can easily write 4x plus 5 raised to n plus 1, it means 6 plus 1 upon 4 as it is into 6 plus 1. So 4x plus 5 raised to 7 upon 4 into 7. So 4x plus 5 raised to 7, 4 into 7, it is 28 plus k. So 1 upon 28, 4x plus 5 raised to 7 plus k. So option A is the right answer. Now question number 9. Use method of substitution to evaluate integration x into x square plus 4 raised to 5 dx, and the answer is, here substitution to evaluate. So in the previous question, this formula is okay, but there is another method, I will tell you. Let's see, 4x or second method, 4x plus 5 is equal to t, substitution method, using substitution method. Okay, so d by dx, 4x plus 5 is equal to dt by dx. So 4 plus phi constant. So 0, differentiation of phi is 0, dt by dx. So dx is equal to dt by 4. Okay. Now you can put into 4x plus 5 raised to 6 dx. 4x plus 5 is equal to t. So t raised to 6 dx. Instead of dx we have to write dt by 4. 1 by 4 constant, t raised to 6 dt. So it becomes t raised to 7 by 7. So 1 upon 28, instead of t plus k use, instead of t write 4x plus 5. So 4x plus 5 raised to 7 plus k. So the answer remains same. This is the substitution method. Okay. Now move to the next question. Question number 9. Use the method of substitution to evaluate. Substitution method. Again consider x square plus 4 is equal to t. So d by dx of x square plus 4 is equal to dt by dx. X square 2x is constant 0, dt by dx. So dt is equal to 2x dx. Okay. Or here we have x into dx. So x into dx is equal to dt by 2. Now take the integration of x into x square plus 4 raised to 5 dx. You can arrange the term that way, this way, x into dx. So x square plus 4 t raised to 5 x dx. So dt by 2. So 1 by 2 t raised to 5 dt is equal to 1 by 2 t raised to 6 by 6 plus k. So 1 by 2 t raised to 6 by 6 plus k. So 1 by 12. Instead of t, put the value x square plus 4. X square plus 4 raised to 6 plus k. Okay. So the answer is x square plus 4, 1 by 12, x square plus 4 raised to 6 plus k. So option B is the right answer for question 9. Now question number 10. Integrate x plus a raised to n and the result will be very easy. You can use x raised to n dx. So x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus k. Okay. So here integrate x plus a raised to n dx is equal to, instead of x here x plus a. So x plus a raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 and d by dx of x plus a is equal to x plus a raised to n plus 1 n plus 1 dx by dx 1 and constant a 0. So 1 plus 0. So answer is x plus a raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus k plus k. Same way here, use k. So x plus a raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus k. Okay. So a is the answer. Now question number 11. Integration of 8x square by x cube plus 2 whole cube dx is equal to 8x square by x cube plus 2 cube dx. So take x cube plus 2 is equal to t. D by dx of x cube plus 2 is equal to dt by dx. So 3x square plus 0 is equal to dt by dx. So 3x square is equal to dt by dx. So x square dx is equal to dt by 3. Now put this value into the 8x square upon x cube plus 2 whole cube dx. So 8 x square dx upon x cube plus 2 whole cube dx is equal to 8. Instead of x square dx, dt by 3, dt 1 by 3 you can write here. X cube plus 2 is t cube. So 8 by 3 constant common, dt upon t cube. So you can write 8 by 3 integration t raised to minus 3 dt. So 8 by 3 t raised to minus 3 plus 1 upon minus 3 plus 1 plus k. 8 by 3 t raised to minus 2 upon minus 2 plus k. 2 4s are, so it is minus 4 by 3 into 1 upon t square plus k. Now instead of t write x cube plus 2. So minus 4 by 3 into 1 upon x cube plus 2 whole square plus k. Check the options. Minus 4 by 3 x cube plus 2 square plus k. So option A is the right answer for question number 11. Both the options are same, A and B. Minus 4 by 3 x cube plus 2 whole square plus k. Minus 4 by 3 1 upon x cube plus 2 whole square plus k. So option B is the right answer. This is considered as in multiplication. So option B is the right answer. Okay. So question number 12. Next question is question number 12. Using method of partial fraction, the integration of f of x when f of x is equal to 1 upon x square minus s square, and the answer is, remember the formulas, 1 upon x square minus s square dx is equal to 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus k. 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus k. So option C is the right answer. Okay. Question number 13. Use integration by parts to evaluate x square into e raised to 3x dx. So here you have to use u into v dx. So integration u into v dx is equal to u as it is integration of v dx minus integration of du dx integration v dx dx. Okay, so you have to use LAE rule. L means logarithmic, A means algebraic, and E means exponential. Here, so which one is U and which one is V? You can easily consider. Okay, so first, if you have logarithmic and algebraic term, then logarithmic term becomes U. If you have algebraic and exponential term, then algebraic terms becomes U. If you have logarithmic and exponential term, then logarithmic term becomes U. Okay. So here x square algebraic term and exponential term is there. So u x square becomes the u. X square becomes the u. So u is equal to x square and v is equal to e raised to 3x. So x square into e raised to 3x dx is equal to x square as it is integration e raised to 3x dx minus integration d by dx of x square integration of e raised to 3x dx is equal to x square e raised to 3x by d by dx of 3x is 3 minus integration d by dx of x square, it is 2x e raised to 3x by 3 dx x square e raised to 3x by 3 minus 2 by 3 common x into e raised to 3x dx. Again you have to use the same u into v dx formula because here x into e raised to 3x present. So x square into e raised to 3x by 3 minus 2 by 3 x becomes u. So x e raised to 3x dx minus integration dx by dx integration e raised to 3x dx x square into e raised to 3x by 3 minus 2 by 3 x e raised to 3x by 3 minus dx by dx 1 into e raised to 3x dx. It is e raised to 3x by 3 dx. X square into e raised to 3x by 3 minus 2 by 3 x into e raised to 3x by 3 minus 1 by 3 constant e raised to 3x dx, e raised to 3x by 3 plus k. So it is x square into e raised to 3x by 3 minus 2x into e raised to 3x, 3 3s are 9, minus minus plus 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, and 2 into e raised to 3x by 27 plus k. So x square into e raised to 3x by 3 minus 2x e raised to 3x by 9 plus 2 e raised to 3x by 27 plus k. So option A is the right answer of question number 13. Okay. Now question number 14. Integration of log x dx is equal to log x dx. Here you can write log x into 1 dx. Log x becomes u and 1 becomes v. U is equal to log x and v is equal to 1. Now put into the formula u into v dx. U integration of v dx minus integration of du by dx integration of v dx all dx. Okay. So now put u and v. So log x into 1 dx is equal to log x as it is 1 dx minus integration of d by dx of log x 1 dx dx. Log x 1 dx x minus dy dx of log x 1 by x. Integration of 1 dx is x dx. X cancel. So x into log x minus integration of 1 dx. X into log x minus x plus k. So you can write, check the option first, x into log x minus x plus k. So D, option D, none of these. Now move to the next question, question number 15. Integration of x into e raised to x dx. X into e raised to x dx. Algebraic term and exponential term. So algebraic term first, u is equal to x and v is equal to e raised to x. So u into v dx is equal to u into integration of v dx minus integration of du by dx integration of v dx bracket complete dx. Now put x into e raised to x dx. So x e raised to x dx minus integration d by dx of x e raised to x dx dx. X e raised to x dx, e raised to x as it is, minus integration dx by dx 1, e raised to x dx, x e raised to x minus e raised to x plus k. So here e raised to x common, x minus 1 plus k. So option A is the right answer of question number 15. Now next is question number 16. Integration of log x whole square dx. So take log x whole square into 1 dx. Same way u and v, u into v dx, integrate u as it is, integration of v dx minus integration of du by dx, integration of v dx dx. U log x whole square integration of 1 dx minus d by dx log x whole square integration of 1 dx dx. Log x whole square 1 dx x minus integration of log x whole square is 2 log x d by dx of log d by dx of log x 1 dx, integration of 1 dx is x into dx. So x into log x whole square minus 2 constant x into log x dx of log x is 1 upon x dx, x cancel. So x into log x whole square minus 2 integration of log x dx. Again you have to use the formula u into v dx. So x log x square minus 2. In previous question I think in question number 15 the same log x dx. Okay, so the answer is x log x minus x. Okay, so we can use into this directly. So 2x log x minus x plus k. X log x square minus 2x log x minus minus plus 2x plus k. So x log x square minus 2x log x plus 2x plus k, option A. Question number 16, option A is the right answer. Now move to the question number 17. Using method of partial fraction to evaluate integration of x plus 5 dx upon x plus 1 into x plus 2 whole square. So here write x plus 5 upon x plus 1 x plus 2 whole square is equal to a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x plus 2 plus c upon x plus 2 square. So x plus 5 is equal to a into x plus 2 square plus b into x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus c into x plus 1. First take x is equal to minus 2. So put the x value of x is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 5 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 square a plus minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 2b plus c into minus 2 plus 1. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Minus 2 plus 2 0. Minus 2 plus 2 0. So c into minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. So c is equal to minus 3. Now take x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 plus 5 is equal to minus 1 plus 2 square a plus minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 into b plus c minus 1 plus 1. 5 minus 1 4. 2 minus 1 1 square a minus 1 plus 1 0 0. So a is equal to 4. Now take x is equal to 0. So 0 plus 5 is equal to 0 plus 2 square a plus 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 2b plus c into 0 plus 1. So it is 0 plus 2 square. It is 4a plus 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 2 2, 1 into 2 2, 2b, 0 plus 1 1 plus c. Now put the value of a and b. A is equal to 4 and b is equal to, b is equal to, you have to find out here. C is equal to minus 3. So 4 into 4 plus 2b minus 3. 16 minus 3 plus 2b 5. 13 5 plus 2b. So 2b is equal to 5 minus 13. So 2b is equal to minus 8. So b is equal to minus 8 by 2 is equal to minus 4. So b is equal to minus 4. Now put into the equation x plus 5 upon x plus 1 into x plus 2 square dx is equal to, instead of a write 4 upon x plus 1, b write minus 4 upon x plus 2, c minus 3 x plus 2 square. So take the integration dx. So integration of 4 common, 1 upon x plus 1 dx minus 4 common, 1 upon x plus 2 dx minus 3 common, 1 upon x plus 2 square dx. So 4 log mod x plus 1 minus 4 log mod x plus 2 minus 3. Here you can write x plus 2 raised to minus 2 dx. So it becomes x plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus k is equal to 4 log x plus 1 minus 4 log x plus 2 minus 3 x plus 2 raised to minus 1 upon minus 1 plus k is equal to 4 log mod x plus 1 minus 4 log x plus 2 minus minus plus 3 upon x plus 2 plus k. Now check with the options. 4 log x plus 1 minus 4 log x plus 2 plus 3 upon x plus 2 plus k. So option A is the right answer of question number 17. Now question number 18. Evaluate 0 to 1 definite integral. Okay. There is a limit, upper limit and lower limit set for this integration. 2x square minus x cube dx, and the value is 0 to 1 2x square minus x cube dx. So you can write 0 to 1 2x square dx minus integration 0 to 1 x cube dx. 2 constant common, 0 to 1 x square dx minus 0 to 1 x cube dx. 2 x cube by 3 0 to 1 minus x cube x raised to 4 by 4 0 to 1. So 2 by 3 1 cube minus 0 cube minus 1 by 4 common, 1 raised to 4 minus 0 raised to 4. So 2 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 into 1. So 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. 4 2s are 8 minus 3. 4 3s are 12. 8 minus 3, 5 upon 12. Check with the options. So option B is the right answer, 5 by 12 of question number 18. Now move to the question number 19. Evaluate 2 to 4 3x minus 2 square dx, and the value is 2 to 4 3x minus 2 square dx. Okay. Here using the x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus k. Same way 3x minus 2 2 plus 1 2 plus 1 d by dx of 3x minus 2 2 to 4 is equal to 3x minus 2 cube 3. d by dx of 3x is 3. Limit is 2 to 4. So 1 by 9 constant common, 3x minus 2 cube 2 to 4. So 1 by 9 3 into 4 minus 2 cube minus 3 into 2 minus 2 cube. 1 by 9, 3 4s are 12 minus 2 10 cube, 1000 minus 3 2s are 6 minus 2 4 4 cube 64. So 1 by 9, 1000 minus 64. 1000 minus 64, it is 936. 936. Now 936 divided by 9 is equal to 9 ones are 9, 0, 9 fours are 36, 104. So option A 104 is the answer. Okay. Next question, question number 20. Evaluate 0 to 1 x into e raised to ex dx and the value is. Here 0 to 1 limit is given. So 0 to 1 x into e raised to x dx. X as it is, integration of e raised to x dx 0 to 1 minus integration of du, here d by dx of x e raised to x dx zero to 1, or whole bracket complete here, again 1 dx is there, or you can write as dx 0 to 1. So x into e raised to x 0 to 1 minus dx dx, it is 1, e raised to x dx 0 to 1, x e raised to x 0 to 1 minus e raised to x dx, same, e raised to x 0 to 1 is equal to 1 into e raised to 1 minus 0 minus e raised to 1 minus e raised to 0. So it is e minus 0 minus e minus 1. E minus minus plus e minus e cancel is equal to 1. So option D is the answer. Option D answer. Okay. So here this lecture is over. Okay. Next time we will continue with the same questions, or continue with the question number 21. Okay. So remember all the formulas and properties of integration. Okay. So see you soon. Bye bye.